Imam Malik, rahimahullah, used to teach in the Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina. One time he was sitting with all his students, and a man came to the masjid and screamed, "There's a huge elephant." A man came to the masjid and screamed, "There's a huge elephant outside." So the students ran, because seeing an elephant in Medina is not something very common. So the students get up and left the class of Imam Malik to go and see the elephant, except one student, Yahya bin Yahya al-Laythi. This man, subhanallah, this student, as a matter of fact, he is the most honorable student of Imam Malik. So Imam Malik said, "Aren't you going with them to see the elephant?" He said, "No." He said, "Because you have seen an elephant before?" He said, "No. I traveled to Medina to see Imam Malik, not to see the elephant." This man was focused. He knew what he wanted from his trip to Medina. What do you want from Ramadan? In Ramadan, people are divided into two groups. People who are focused, they know the target and the goal from Ramadan. They want to graduate from the school of Ramadan with a degree of taqwa. They want to take advantage of every single moment. They want to pray all the salawat in the masjid. They want to read Quran and memorize Quran. They want to feed others. They want to help others. They want to serve others. They want to come close to Allah. They want to treat Ramadan as if it is really their last Ramadan. You know, subhanallah, Wallahi ya akhwan, you know, sometimes people think that the speaker just want to fill up those 5 minutes. And we keep repeating, you know, this could be my last Ramadan. On Friday, I announced that Dr. Khalid had a car accident, 45 years old, younger than many of us, had a car accident in Maryland, right? Make dua for him. He's in critical condition. Tomorrow is his janazah after the first Jumu'ah. He did not make it to Ramadan. So we are not just filling time. Ya akhwan, this could really happen. This could be my last Ramadan. What is your plan? Are you focused? Do you have something that you want to achieve in this Ramadan? And the other group is the group that is occupied with elephants. There are so many elephants in Ramadan. The elephants of movies, the elephants of WhatsApp, the elephants of Facebook, the elephants of social media, the elephants of ghiba, the elephants of vain talk. All these elephants, if you do not leave them alone, they're going to distract you from your focus. So let's focus, inshaAllah ta'ala, and treat Ramadan as if it is our last Ramadan, and ignore all these elephants, because there are a lot of elephants in Ramadan.